One step away from your members area, but before you go, I have a secret to share. This video that you're watching, the pages you've just been clicking, and all of the products you're about to access were created by me, my team, and a couple of top-level marketers that I've had the privilege to work with over the years. But every cent you've just spent to unlock this content hasn't gone to me, but it's gone directly to the person who shared that first email gift with you. Even on this page, if you decide that you want to unlock the business module, I won't take a cent. It all goes directly to your friend. Even better, the person who invited you had this complete system set up and ready to share in under 1 minute. And I mean complete. There are 7 full funnels you can activate, one for each of the products in our online marketing success kit. And I mean complete. There are 7 full funnels you can activate, one for each of the products in our online marketing success kit. They'll all have your sales links added on every page and in every email, earning you 100% of every sale. Each funnel has a lead magnet gift, thank you pages, download delivery pages, all beautifully designed, hosted, and created to convert. There's nothing technical to set up. It all happens automatically for you after your easy 1-minute setup. As if that wasn't good enough, we automate things for you even further. When people share their email address and download that high quality gift, we deliver it to them and send a sequence of handcrafted content that engages, teaches, and encourages your subscribers to upgrade to access even higher quality training materials. You don't have to write a word to make this work for you. Simply do what your friend did and share any of the 7 high value gifts, then let the system take over and do the rest for you. So now it's your turn. If you'd like your own set of 7 completely written, designed, hosted for you lead capture and sales funnels, then this is your chance. Click the button below and we'll send you immediate access to your Minute Kit business, as well as our special training zone, where you'll be able to follow along and make this work for you, even if you've never done anything like this before. Once again, I'm extremely excited for you to jump in and get started. So click the button now and I'll see you inside.